So hey guys, Brandon Jess here with Jess Ford. I'm super excited today because we're going to introduce to you guys the 2024 Dark Horse Mustang. Okay guys, so what we have here today is the completely redesigned 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Okay, this is the Gen 4 5-liter. It puts out a pulse-pounding 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. So let's take a look under the hood. All right guys, so here's a look under the hood at the Gen 4 5-liter. This is the most powerful non-Shelby Mustang engine that's ever been produced by Ford. All right guys, so moving on from underneath the hood, up front, we got the projector LED headlamps, gloss black front accent package and air dam, gloss black hood scoop, and again, it's got the black accent package on the hood. And then if we bring it around to the side, we got the Pirelli P0 tires, 19-inch wheels, and these massive Brembo brakes to help stop all that power under the hood. And of course, it's offset in a blue color, really makes it stand out, looks super sharp. Dark Horse badging on the side. Okay, and again, offset staggered setup here in the back, so it has a little bit different size wheel and tire package in the rear. And if you come all the way back around, this does have the sequential LED tail lamps as well, the black accented rear spoiler, and again right back to the black Dark Horse emblem in the rear, dual exhaust, and I think that pretty much sums up the rear. So here we are on the inside of the 2024 Dark Horse. We'll start over here. You can see it's got the carbon fiber accent package. It's got the custom blue stitching on the dash and on the seats. Also on the Dark Horse badge on the dash, it features the chassis number, which is unique to the Dark Horse Mustang. So it's a unique feature that's built in. Now as we move a little further over, you can see this particular Dark Horse is equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission. There are two different transmission types that are available. There is a manual transmission, but this one does have the 10-speed automatic. We'll probably take this out for a little bit of a drive here later and see how that does. Heated steering wheel, does have heated seats, and you can see this has a huge infotainment system, okay? So it is a 12.4-inch infotainment LCD, but this thing looks like a jet fighter cockpit from the inside. I mean, this thing is cool. So a couple of the unique features on the Dark Horse. There's 3 different steering modes for this vehicle. I'll kind of walk through those real quick. So you have normal steering mode, there is a comfort mode, and a sport mode. Sport mode kind of tightens up the handling a little bit, so that way when you're going 100 miles an hour around the corners, you get that nice tight steering. There's also 3 different progressively louder exhaust modes. So you have your normal, and then there is a track and a sport mode, so you can change that dual exhaust that's in the back. Okay, and then there's also a couple different drive modes as well. So there's a sport mode for driving, a track mode, a drag strip mode. So if you want to actually go line this thing up on a drag strip, you can put it in, line lock it, take off. It's incredible. Okay, and then you can actually make a custom mode in here, so you can tune it how you would like. And then there's your normal everyday driving mode. And so that's just a couple of the unique different modes for sound and performance that come with the Dark Horse. All right, so thank you guys for watching today's video on the 2024 Dark Horse. Please like and subscribe, and there should be a link down below for you guys to click on for more in-depth details on the Dark Horse that I simply didn't have enough time to go over for you guys today.